particularly on military lines, with separate divisions for maintenance and operation of the jet and piston-engined aircraft, airworthiness management and flight operations. This aircraft started life as a J-35F model, one of the 230 delivered between 1965 and 1972. The F model had improved avionics, integrated radar and missile systems. The main armament was the Hughes Falcon missile, manufactured in the United States, and only one 30mm cannon, with the space for the second cannon occupied by the missile guidance system.